The most commonly asked question again I have seen is, what is a good vision board? Because if you go on Google and search for images that speaks that you'll when you type on vision board, you'll go click on images and you'll see a lot of images of different people's vision boards. But once you take a look at the vision board, you'll be like, it's really cluttered. They don't know exactly what they want to manifest or achieve, or they're setting out that it is clear and attainable, or they want to manifest and really pull off in the real world. So a good vision board I'm going to cover 3 points, and a good vision board includes your dreams, your goals, your aspirations, your wants, needs and desires. And inside my vision board mini course, I've covered 5 different areas of life that you must actually focus on, because if you focus on these 5 different areas of your life, it's going to help you catapult your life to another level, because there are not many things that you need to do to move your life forward. Because these 5 categories I've covered inside my course are going to be the pillars of your life that are going to move your life drastically forward and in a short span of time. So the next point that I have for you is a vision board. A good vision board is not at all cluttered. It is not at all disorganized. It is very specific. It's very clear. It is to the point. Like, it is intentional. So inside my course, I've covered what it feels like to create a vision board that is specific. It is purpose driven, outcome driven, and is intentional. Most people, when they go and create a vision board, they just pick out a template, they dump images from wherever they find, and they leave it at that. But there are certain practices and routines that you must follow in order to create a vision board that will actually turn your life around. So inside the course, I have covered really different amazing things about the structure, about the process that you need to think through, about the areas of life. And the presentation that I have for you inside the modules of the course is really amazing. It's going to you would not have seen such amazing presentation. I'm going to cover in 7 different modules. I'm going to give 5 different bonuses, and I also have an opportunity for you. If you're among the first 500 people to watch this video and sign up for the course, it's going to help you create a vision board that actually works, vision board that actually helps you manifest your dreams and desires. And it also, I'll be able to feature your completed vision board on the sales page of the course or on the website, so that thousands of people from the future or from down the road ahead who are going to come and sign up, they're going to take a look at your vision board and going to be like, damn, I have achieved these goals, and they're very specific and they're very clear and to the point, and maybe they'll reach out and connect with you. So be the first to take action, because the first movers always have an advantage over the rest. It's really cheap, it's really affordable, and it's going to help you manifest really big things, even outrageous things that most people have not will say that it's impossible to achieve. You'll be able to pull off by having a vision board that covers 5 different areas, that moves your life in a dynamic way. So I hope you found value in this video. Like this video, subscribe and watch my other videos and sign up to the course. Have a great day.